In this problem, we have to find the force in the K cable AI and also the pin reactions at the point H, or you can say this is the support. So for the forces in the cable AI and the support reactions at pin H, we had to find the forces in the member AC and AB. For member AB, we can take the pin P. And you see, with the member AB, we have an angle of 45 degrees because this triangle has a perpendicular of 20 feet and also a base of 20. And if we apply the forces in the vertical direction, then we have the force in the member AB with sine component and an angle of 45 degrees. And we have a vertical downward force, which is negative 800 pounds. So the force in member AB is about 1,131.37 pounds. And for the member AC, we can take the point C. So we have the two members and a vertical downward force. And we can assume that the force in member CA and the force in member CE is equal to each other. And we have also the same angle of 18.435 degrees with these two members. So in the vertical direction, we have the 2 multiply force in the member CA with sine component and the angle of 18 degrees, while we have a vertical downward force of negative 800 pounds. So force in member CA is about 1,264.91 pounds. And now we can find the forces in the K, cable AI, and support reaction H. So we can say that in the K cable, we have a tension force. And with the peanut, we have an angle of 76 degrees, while with the K cable, we have an angle of 21 degrees. And if we apply the force in horizontal direction, then we have the negative tension in the K cable AI with sine component because you see we have the angle with the y-axis. And also we have the force at pin H with force component. And it is also negative because it is moving in the negative x direction. And we have the force in member AB, which is 1,264.91 pounds. And we have the angle of 18.435 degrees. And for the member AC, we have 1,131.37 pound force with force 45 degrees. And in case of the vertical direction forces, we have the cos component with the tension in the cable AI, the sine component with the force H, and we have the sine component with the force in member AB, and we also have the sine component with the force in member AC. And when we simplify these two terms, then we get the tension in the cable AI with a force of 0.3714 pounds. And we have the support reaction at point H with 0.2334 force. And it is equal to 2000. And same for the other equation. And when we solve these two terms, so we get the tension in the cable AI, which is 2.88 kilopounds. And you see in the cable EF, we have also a force of 2.88 kilopounds. And same for the support reactions at the pin or support H and G, we have a force of 3.99 kilopounds.